This is probably not gonna be that exciting of a video. It is to me though. It is to me though, damn it. Might not be able to talk too much in this video as it's gonna be loud. It'll be fun. Oh no! Good morning, you guys. You're jammed in here, eh? These big cages are the ones we've got. As you can see, they're old cage. And today I'm gonna put them into these big cages. We're gonna modify it here. See how they double? And we modified them up yesterday. Big enough for me to stand in. Oops. Get inside here. We gave them new toys. We got a couple new perches. Made some swings, didn't we, buddy? Can you go big? How big do your wings go? Show me how big they'll go. Show how big do your wings go? Oh, they go bigger than that. Yeah, they go bigger than that. I know they do. Atta girl. You ready for your new place? Ready to get in there and get dirty and do some pooping, aren't you? Yeah, let's give her. How big do your wings go? Cyrus's wings are ridiculously big. Hey, buddy? Holy smokes, and he's got his cage ready. Look at him, he's ready to go. You ready to get in and try out that new cage, bud? Right on. What about you? You gonna try your new cage? We're gonna leave you in there. You ready to go? Okay, let's get her done then, buddies. What do you think? You're gonna poop on the floor, aren't you? He's gonna poop on me. Just gonna open the one door, see if they crawl in. When he's ready, he'll go. Go! Are you happy? Do you wanna go in? Okay, let's try to get you in yours. Yeah? Yeah, you wanna check it out. You got a new swing and everything in there, bud. For some reason, they don't like being walked when they move from cage to cage. I don't know why. That's just to maybe going in. Oh, he's almost going in, but it fiddle-de-doo that one with the thing going up. He's thinking about it. No, he's coming back. He's thinking about it. What do you think, Teresa? Is he gonna go for it? Is he gonna go for it? Where's he going above the thing? I can't tell if he's going in. You can see his tail. He's thinking about it. See him there? I don't know where he went. I'm gonna have to go in and see where he's going. There he's in. Just look at this guy in his beautiful cage. And look, you have a swing in here, look. There's a swing now. These cages are double what they have here, so I don't know. I'm as happy as a pig and shit for these birds. Like, he just already looks happier, I think. So classic my luck. I wanted to show you guys this video of me putting the birds into their cages, and my stupid iPhone has to do an update. So I'll give you the update. They're all back in their new cages, loving it, and I'll take a picture and give you a quick shout. Whatever that means. It's early. I'll take a video and show you what a room looks like with those little guys in there.